Hey, what's up, traders? Good afternoon, good night. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day in the markets today. It is July 16th, about 10:30 p.m. And I'm putting this video up because a lot of people still emailing me about not JetBlue, NETFliX. Okay, NETFliX is the stock I've been talking about like for the last couple of days. All right, before it had earnings, before the stock split, I've been trying to bring this stock to you guys attention. And as you can see right here, when you look at NETFliX, all right, the split was going to happen here on Wednesday here. Okay, this is where the split happened. Tuesday, I think it happened right here. That's where the split happened. As you can see, after the split, they kept on pushing the stock down. All right, I remember telling you guys, common sense is how far can they push it down when the stock is coming from 7 to 1 and you got new investors coming in? How far can the stock really go down? But on the 1 hour chart, when you look at it, you see right here, 200-day moving average from right here, where everything else was going on, and then they push it all the way down. You had earnings right here, and then boom. But this day right here, Wednesday, they pushed the stock open here, and it got pushed all the way back down. See, I didn't have to watch this all day, but the moment I started seeing the 97, and the market was closing at 4 o'clock, I took this trade at around 3:45. All right, I ended up buying NETFliX twice. Okay, so when you look at NETFliX right now, and we're trying to figure out where NETFliX is going, is you know, right here was the perfect opportunity to pick up NETFliX right here. All right, before all this move happened and the hype in the market now kick in, now the media talking about it, now the stock price just got pushed all the way up to 118. All right, so my initial thought process was, after this move on earnings, is like, all right, the next day what are they gonna do? Are they gonna open up here and push it down like they did over here, or are they gonna open right here like they did? They opened, they pushed it came down a little bit from yesterday's highs from 109, it went to 107, and then from that 107 the stock never looked back. It made another leg up. So if you was watching NETFliX, you was trading NETFliX, you know, this was a great trade right here. So where do I expect it to go? Now that we are extended over here of this 50-day and this 200-day moving average right here, so you can expect, I can expect a pullback to these areas right here. All right, I will put it at 110.06 is what we're looking for, which is which is going to be $5. But I don't expect this to happen right away. Right, I got to see how the stock plays tomorrow, because from what I'm looking at, the stock can come back to these price levels right here. Okay, so this is the fib retracement on 100% right here. It's at the 110. So you can expect this to have a little pullback. Why do I say that? Again, price is extended. 20-day moving average is extended away from the 50-day, away from the 200-day moving average. All right. Momentum on NETFliX is up for the most part right now. As you can see, after earnings, momentum is up. MACD is up. Momentum crossed up right here. So this is Friday right here, going into Friday. Right, you have all this room to play. So during the day, like I said, you can open up here at this high, okay, and then go like this. You can come down here, okay, but I'm not targeting right here. What I'm really targeting is for price to somehow come down here, okay, towards this line. So it might, you know, hit this, boom, and pull back a little bit and maybe continue. I don't know, but this is the next couple of days. But for tomorrow, I can expect, you know, the action to be, you know, kind of choppy like this, and somewhere down here you're expecting for it to bounce back up, okay, right here, or they're gonna bring it back down here. All right, you see, no matter what I does or what I do, you see the channel I'm drawing for you guys. All right, this is basically how I kind of look at for the stock to move. All right, and if it breaks my pattern, and I didn't, you know, I'm not trying to you know, figure everything out, but that's basically what you're trying to do on these charts when you're analyzing it. All right, so like I said, price came up here. I'm expecting price to hit down here and pull back, maybe pull back here, and boom, go back over here on coming on Monday, because it had a big run. So those of you guys who's asking questions about NETFliX, where do you want NETFliX to go? This chart right here, I just went into specific details of after this move, after earnings. Now what are we looking for? All right, so far I've been putting up these videos for you guys. Those of you guys who's following me, who are trading great, congratulations. And those of you guys who still you know, have questions and Want me to answer, send me the emails, the number 3, the letter D, consult me, in reference to NETFliX. All right, investors, same thing. Feel free to send me the email, the number 3, the letter D, consult me at Gmail. Peace.